Hey guys, Alex Bay Cities Construction. We're back here at our project in El Segundo. This has been a full house remodel. We're putting her back together right now. We've done all of the rough plumbing, rough electrical. Guys that did all the earthquake retrofitting are all done. The house has been bolted down. So we're putting her together. We've got the tile work done in the bathrooms and we're prepping the walls now for the cabinets because we are gonna be done in a few weeks. So let me show you what we've gotten done so far. Full house remodel. This is our little entrance here. We're gonna redo the fireplace. The fireplace is gonna stay. We're gonna wrap it in some new tile. The floors are done, they're all covered. Stairs are done, that's covered. Let's go into the master. So hey guys, look, this is El Segundo and you know, houses here are kind of small, so the master suite's a little bit on the small side, but it'll work. All the tile work's done. We took it to the wall. We terminated here on this nice little pencil liner action. So this room still has to get mudded. We're gonna skim the whole thing nice and even. This will be a toilet that's gonna be cantilevered out. So notice there's no hole in the floor. This is like a commercial toilet. It goes into the wall and out the back. So it's gonna be a double vanity setup here. We made a window smaller so that you can put a mirror here in front of you, but at least have some natural light. That worked out okay. This house actually has a pretty cool floor plan. That's the laundry room. We'll go in there in a second. This kitchen is pretty deep. So this is a horseshoe kitchen. So there's gonna be cabinets here, cabinets here, cabinets here. So it's actually kind of a good sized kitchen, but horseshoe kitchen. We didn't make the house any bigger. We're gonna work within the constraints. This whole wall and stuff here was retrofitted. The house was on a brick foundation, so has a new concrete foundation now. It's been tied down. It's all good. And has even a little kind of cool skylight. How many houses have a skylight in the kitchen, huh? Let's go to the laundry room. Nice area, kind of a dining family room here. This is the formal dining room in there. Which in retrospect, if you want to make that into another bedroom, you could. So here's the laundry. So we're gonna have washer, dryer, and then there's a half bath here, powder room. Yeah, a little small powder room, but it's cool. Like if your guests have some guests over and stuff, they don't have to go into the, to the upstairs bathroom or anything like that. Very convenient first floor bathroom. It's a 3-bedroom house. Let's go upstairs and check out the other bathroom we redid. The stair layout was already like this. We just wrapped up the floors with a new luxury vinyl. It's one of the bedrooms. Big shower, nice shower setup. We made it bigger than what it was. We moved the toilet around, we reconfigured things. So toilet's gonna be here, shower's gonna be here. We always do this. We go floor to ceiling on the tile. So this is gonna be multifunction. You're gonna have your little wand there. And then you've got a double vanity deal. Got a window, the window was existing. We added a second sink. So if you can see, this is a Jack and Jill, so the kids are gonna share this. So I'm in one bedroom, and Brian's in the other bedroom. So say hi, Brian. Say hi to the camera. By the way, if you're wondering how we cook up all these ideas, come here, let me show you something. Wendy sketches all these floor plans out. That's Wendy's deal. So that's the downstairs powder room and laundry. And this is this bathroom right here. So if you're having trouble trying to figure out what it is you want, let us design it for you, because we can. Now, this room is actually kind of cool. If you get a little stir crazy, a little stuffy, you just step outside. Woo! You get a nice little breeze. There's a little balcony out there. That is our upstairs update. So what do you think? You like the work so far? We've had a lot of people working on here, so it's a big team to get this done. It's been a big project. Had to work through a lot of COVID delays with the city and all that, but looks like everything's opening up in El Segundo. Things are moving, and we're on the tail end of this thing. So we're putting everything back together in a couple weeks. We got cabinets going in, painting. It's gonna be, we're gonna be wrapping this thing up here pretty soon. So please stay tuned. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click like and subscribe, and that way you'll get a little notification when the next video is up. We like posting these videos and we like your interaction. Definitely helps things be more fun. These videos are for you to teach you how the proper way of remodeling houses should be and what are some of the options of doing so. If you want to have a consultation with somebody here at my office, with Wendy or me or Casey, please go ahead and hit the little link below and set up your appointment today. My name is Alex with Bay Cities Construction, reminding you, you don't need a contractor, you need a team of pros. Bye.